In the bustling Lagos real estate market, there are some juicy secrets that most companies would rather keep under wraps. So if you are thinking about renting, buying, or investing, you need to know these nuggets of wisdom. Let's get into it. Number 1, price manipulation. First off, let's chat pricing. You might come across property listed with prices so high, they could be mistaken for the GDP of a small country. The thing is, realtors often inflate prices to create a sense of urgency. Like, act now or you'll miss out. But remember folks, knowledge is power. Do your own work, so you don't end up paying a premium for a glorified shed. Next on the list, high vacancy rates. Some neighborhoods look appealing until you realize there are more empty houses than residents. Because nobody wants to invest in a place that looks like it's preparing for a zombie action movie. Now let's talk quality. Not all developments are built equal. Some are so shoddy that they could double as a horror movie set. Companies might gloss over the fact that your dream home could have walls thinner than your patience in traffic. So always get physical inspection before buying any property. Trust me, you don't want to sign up for any unwanted surprise. Now let's move to the next thing. Legal issues. Some properties might come with more legal issues than a family reunion after a contentious holiday dinner. Unclear ownership, ongoing disputes. Trust me, you don't want to be the star of that drama, so make sure you dig deep before signing anything on any dotted line. Now let's not forget about service charges. They sneak up on you like mosquito in the dark, and suddenly you find yourself swatting at extra fee that can skyrocket your budget. In order to avoid this, always ask for a detailed breakdown. I mean, always know what you are paying for, so you don't end up in premium wahala. The next thing I'll talk about is the fluctuating market conditions. Lagos real estate market can be unpredictable as the weather during rainy season. One minute you are riding high and the next you are down in the dumps. Companies may downplay the risks, but keep your eyes peeled. This is not the time to invest with your eyes closed at all. Now let's talk development delays. If you are thinking about new development, hold on to your patience, because timeline can shift more often than Lagos driver dodging a pothole. Delays can actually happen for all sorts of reasons, so never assume you are moving in next month. I mean, always prepare for the long haul and remember to bring snacks. Lastly, let's address environmental issues. Some areas are prone to flooding or pollution, and you might not want to find out when it's too late. So it's better to do your research now so you don't end up living in a waterlogged wonderland. With all you've heard, I'm certain you are ready to conquer Lagos real estate market like a pro. And promise from landproperty.ng, we specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to make smart future-proof investments right here in Lagos effortlessly and without fear. Our mission is to make your property journey smooth and stress-free. And here's the exciting part. We are launching a comprehensive course on due diligence soon. This course will empower you with all the knowledge you need to make smart and informed decisions in real estate. With our expert guidance, you'll be able to navigate Lagos real estate market confidently and avoid some common pitfalls. So reach out to us on the number showing on your screen right now to join us and discover how easy it can be to find your dream property with zero drama. At landproperty.ng, we help you turn your real estate dreams into reality. And before you leave, we've got other amazing content you will love. So be sure to check the next video and the recommended ones. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, and leave a comment with your thoughts below.